Welcome back to my channel. I freaking miss you guys so much. Wasn't able to film Wednesday because it was a holiday weekend and I had a party slash gathering to prepare, and yeah, but it's Friday. I hope you guys have a beautiful holiday, safe holiday, of course. So we're gonna get into this pink look. I have pink braids now, so we just feeling pink, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up if you like it, comment something in the comment section, let me know any videos you want to see next, all that good stuff. Don't forget to check out my other videos, everything will be in the description box, and so we're gonna just get into this look right now. Let's get started. We're gonna be using the Morphe palette as well as using the Alyssa Edwards palette. If you did not see the look I did with this palette, my first impressions, I will link it in the description box. I have a pop-up in the card, so make sure you check that out before you check out this video. This palette, we're gonna go into the Morphe 39M palette, and I'm gonna just go into the shade. I need to, like, this little paper is like low-key annoying. I need to like tape it to the top, but I just never do. What shade is that? We're gonna go to Sweet Beats, Candy Crush, and FOTD. I think that's Face of the Day. Don't quote me. So we're gonna go into this shade right here, this shade right here, and this shade right here. So now I'm gonna go in with a, you know, a more precision brush, not like a blending brush. So I'm gonna go into this green shade called Stroke of Luck and Express Yourself. See this paper? I need to really glue this down or something. So we're gonna go in with both of these greens right here. I love these greens, like they actually show up on me, and it's like a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. It's all about the top. We're gonna go into this beautiful shade right here, and it's called Beyond. We're gonna go into some glitter. So I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics glitter. This is in the shade, oh, this is in the shade Mermaid Mood. Fire. So we're going to use that, and of course I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer. Just put down the back of my hands, just a little bit. You don't need a lot because you don't want to overwhelm everything. I'm gonna just finish up the edges. I'm gonna just blend that out, and we'll be back. Now we're gonna get onto the face. The face is probably gonna be fast forward because, like, y'all see me do my face all the time. So I'm gonna link my foundation routines I probably got a couple, I think. My foundation, I'm gonna link my foundation routine, my sweat proof routine, my makeup at 80-degree weather. So I'll link everything in the description box. I will pop up in the cards if you want to see in-depth face routine. So yeah. You made it to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful pink look. Let me know in the comment section, like, if you liked it, if you want it to be more glittery, like what you want. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, because don't be watching these videos and you ain't subscribed. Like, you might as well just become the best. You just might as well become my best friend, and so we could like live happily ever after. But anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support, and don't forget to follow my social media so you can be updated with everything. Be the first to know what is about to drop, what I'm about to do, what you want me to do, all this good stuff. And I just see you guys in my next video. Laters.